Well, dear students, let's quickly discuss the main points of the paragraphs that we have studied from paragraph number 1 till paragraph number 5. So, paragraph number 5, we are going to start from paragraph number 5. Paragraph number 5 tells us that about the meteors. The term shooting stars refer to meteors, not star, and meteors are small pieces of debris from space or points of light that appears in the sky, and they move quickly before disappearing. And when they enter the Earth atmosphere, and they after that they disappear. Then in paragraph number 2, we get to know about the historical understanding of meteors, and people did not know much about the meteors, and they used to consider it as stars, but scientists eventually discovered that meteors are fragments of comets that exploded or blew up long time ago, and then these fragments or pieces move towards the space, and these pieces go from one place to another in universe, and making a looping path, looping, as I have told you, in a circular and repetitive path, and that they made a original comet. So these fragments appear when they enter the Earth's orbit. They shine and glow just because of the friction. Friction means like one body rubbing one of the body against another, so they glow and they shine, and they also make a streak means long and thin line, as the stars make long and thin lines. And then in paragraph number 3, we get to know that how many meteor showers occur during a year. Each year dozen meteor showers occur, and there are number of meteor showers that the author has told us, and the large one and the prominent one are Perseids and Leonids and Perseids and Andromedas. So these are all meteor shower that the writer has told us, and the biggest of all is Perseids, and it occurs on the 10th, 11th, and 12th of August. And the next, if we are going to talk about Leonids, which happens or occurs on 14, 15, and 16, and the last one is Andromedas, which is not so big and prominent one, that comes or occurs on November 17 to 27. So these are the meteor shower that occur, and then afterwards in next paragraph we get to know about the meteors, how the meteor showers occur, and during meteor showers what happens, and how the people get satisfied, like if they are going to watch 10 to 20 meteor showers. So and they also come in group and in large number, and the writer also tells us about a distinguished astronomer named Professor Denison, Olmstead of New Haven, Connecticut, in 1833 on the night of November 12. He had witnessed with who is a scientist, and tells that he had witnessed Leonids which seem to come from directly above and then downwards, and then he compared them with the flakes of snow. So this is a spectacular event, because how many meteor shower that he had counted or estimated 2,40,000. That was a spectacular event or spectacular observation that he had made. And then in paragraph number 5, the author gives a personal touch to this article or this essay, that he gives a personal experience or personal observation of meteor shower, that he went with an astronomer, and he had observed meteors in 2 hours. How many? Almost 1,000 meteors. And then in November, he had also observed, and how many meteors that he had observed or watched in 2 hours. He had observed 100 meteor showers.